Want to connect an Xbox controller? Whether you're using an Xbox console, Windows PC, or a mobile device, this guide will show you how to do it easily. Connecting to a Windows PC. There are 3 ways to connect an Xbox controller to a Windows PC: Bluetooth, USB cable, and Xbox wireless adapter. For Bluetooth, open Settings and Devices on your PC. Turn on Bluetooth and select Add a Device. Put your controller in pairing mode by holding the sync button. Choose Xbox wireless controller from the list. For USB cable, simply plug in the controller to your PC and it will connect automatically. For Xbox wireless adapter, plug it into your PC, press the sync button, then sync the controller the same way you would with an Xbox console. Connecting to a mobile device. Want to use your Xbox controller on a phone or tablet? It's simple. Turn on Bluetooth on your Android or iPhone. Put your controller in pairing mode. Select Xbox wireless controller in Bluetooth settings. Once paired, you're ready to play. Connecting to an Xbox console. To connect your Xbox controller to an Xbox One or Series X, follow these steps. Turn on your Xbox and controller. Press the sync button on the Xbox console. Press and hold the sync button on the controller until the Xbox button flashes. Once the light stays solid, the controller is connected. 2.4 GHz wireless receiver method. Some Xbox controllers, especially third-party ones, use a 2.4 GHz wireless receiver instead of Bluetooth. Here's how to connect them. Step 1. Turn on your Xbox One console and plug in the 2.4G wireless receiver. Step 2. Press the home button on the wireless controller. Step 3. Press the pairing button on the 2.4 GHz wireless receiver. Step 4. When the light of the wireless controller and 2.4G wireless receiver is always on, the connection has been successful. That's how you connect an Xbox controller. If this helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips.